Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what PuzzlesUp is, what it offers, and how to shop on the website. So let's get started. So according to the website or to the official PuzzlesUp website, PuzzleUp is an online store specializing in wooden jigsaw puzzles and also arc acrylic puzzles, sun catchers, and the company says that it was founded in 2020 with the goal of offering creative puzzles for both children and adults. And today, it offers a wide variety of animal, nature, fantasy, and art themed puzzles designs, as says here by the website. So, according to the website, customers can choose from several puzzle sizes, including small, medium, large, and extra large, with different pieces counts depending on the selected size. The company says that the puzzles are made from environment-friendly wood and features uniquely shaped pieces that creates a more challenging and enjoyable puzzle experience. To browse the store, you can just visit puzzlesup.com and explore the available collection or use the search feature and find the specific design if you want. You can find the search at the top and look for whatever you want. If you found as example the design that you want or that you like, you can open the products page and review any available sizes. They have here many sizes for this one as example. You can also review the prices or the pricing that will change with the sizes as well. So if you choose small, it will be cheap, and if you choose the biggest, it will be more expensive than the smaller one. And any product details before selecting, of course, your preferred option and adding it to your cart. But before placing your order, take a few minutes to review the shipping, estimates, return policy, and refund policy so you know what to expect. And according to the official website, most orders are dispatched within 1 to 3 business days, while delivery typically takes 7 to 12 business days depending on your location. So if you decide to purchase, proceed to the secure checkout page. Just go and click on add to cart, then checkout. And from there, you'll have to enter your shipping and payment information and complete your order by following the on-screen instructions. It's also a good idea to save your order confirmation email, tracking number, so you can monitor your shipments if needed. Since the websites frequently advertise large discounts and ongoing closing sales, take your time before making a purchase, compare prices if you'd like, and read the product's information carefully. And don't feel pressured by countdown timers or limited time sales messages. Doing your own research before spending any money is always a good idea. So, if you have any questions before ordering, you can review the frequently asked question page. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find this frequently asked question, as you can see, and you'll be able to see many questions that you may have and you can find the answer to. Or you can contact them through their email using the supported or the contact information provided by this official website. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.